Let's see how you can actually build a QR code Facebook chatbot. So here, the idea is that when someone scans a specific QR code, it will automatically open the Messenger app on their phone, and from there they can actually initiate one-on-one conversations with your Facebook business page where you can actually use the power of chatbot automations to collect customer details, offer discounts, and much more. So here, I am in a demo icon. The first step is to connect your Facebook page over here. For that, you have to simply go to channels option over here and choose the Facebook page and connect it. So connecting the Facebook page is straightforward. So here, if you go to the help center, so here in the help center we have the guide as well. So here you just need to log in with Facebook and simply choose the Facebook page you are going to connect on our platform, and make sure all these permissions are allowed over here, and then simply connect it. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect this sort of Facebook page over here. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on your Facebook page, including the QR codes as well. So here in the marketing tools, you have the option to use the magic links and create QR codes as well. So let's see how to use this one over here. So first of all, you need to have a specific chatbot flow where you have the series of messages already set up. From there, we can actually assign that specific flow to the QR code we are going to create. So let me see if we can actually use any free templates over here. So let me see if we can find anything. So here, let me use this one. Boost 5-star reviews and sales, collect negative feedback template. So let's use this as a QR code example chatbot flow. So what I can do is I can make a duplicate of this one, so we can actually keep the original as it is. So here I'll make a duplicate of this one. Alright, so it has been duplicated. So now let me rename this one as Facebook QR code reviews and sales, collect negative feedback. So that's it. So let me rename this one as well. Alright, and let me open this one. So here we have a predefined chatbot flow where it actually collect the customer details. So for example, it's for physical stores. So when someone actually visit your physical stores or shops, you're gonna have a QR code and ask them to scan it. And as soon as they scan the QR code, they will receive this sort of message asking about the experience or rating, how they like it. And here, if they choose 5-star or 4 stars, then those people, we can actually send them to leave a review on Google as well. Of course, if they have a bad experience, in that case, you can actually ask what went wrong right here. And here, the idea is to offer them a specific 30% discount on their next visit. So here, let me see. Thanks for visiting us. Can you please share your experience so far? 1 to 5. You may be eligible for a 30% discount on your next visit. So here the idea is to just promote them to come back again and again by offering 30% for the next visit, just for the demo. But yeah, you can actually come up with your own offers and discounts as well. So here, after we collect their details and push them to the Google review, we actually offer them the 30% discount as promised. So even if they provide the negative feedback, we still offer them the 30% discount because it's only for the next visit. So sometimes you might be able to fix their negative feedback right here, so that, and then provide them with a better experience as well. So here we have some actions over here which set the date and also add 21 days as well. So the reason is that we can actually offer them the 30% discount, but they need to actually use that specific discount, 30% discount, within the 21 days. So that means they have to actually visit your shop or any other physical stores within 21 days to claim this 30% discount, which you can actually increase the number of visits of those customers as well. Another important thing is that we actually collect their phone number to get the 30% off discount. Suppose if their phone number is already there, we simply offer them the discount. Otherwise, we actually collect their phone number first before we actually offer them the 30% discount coupon right here, and we actually share all the details like please note that this offer is valid for the next 21 days. So make sure to avail yourself of this exclusive offer before this specific date, because we actually add the date with 21 days as well through the actions as well. So here you can actually connect this one to a Facebook page QR code as well. So make sure this is published over here, and here if you want to change any text button, you can do that as you like. So for now, let me publish this one over here, and here you can get the published link over here. So here all these flows are built in omnichannel, so that means it can simply work on all these channels. But if you want to create the Facebook QR code chatbot, then you need to grab the Facebook Messenger link for this specific flow. In that case, choose a get published link and choose Messenger. Alright, copy. So the Messenger link for this specific chatbot flow has been copied. So now you have to go back to the marketing tools over here, and here magic links, and create a new one. And here this is the copied URL m.me, so that means a Messenger Facebook link. And here you can actually add any names you like. For example, let me say Facebook QR code demo, just for the alright, FB QR code demo, and this is the link I provided right there. And if you're wondering where is the QR code, here if you click on these three buttons, here you have the option to get the QR code. So this will be the QR code. You can download this one and have it saved in any place you want, and once they scan this QR code, it will take them directly to the Facebook Messenger, and from there they can actually initiate the conversations. So let me show a live demo as well. So here let me share my phone screen over here. So here I'm actually scanning my QR code over here. Let me say open in Messenger. So here it simply opened the Facebook page in Messenger, and once they tap on this get started button, it will start sending us the messages in that specific flow. Let's see how this actually works. So it's actually showing the typing animation. It says, thanks for visiting us, can you please share your experience so far? Select a rating 1 to 5. You may be eligible for a 30% discount as well. So here in this case, let me choose 5 stars. So those who select 5 star or 4 star, they will be prompted to leave a review on Google as well, where you can add the Google review link as well. And after waiting for like 20 seconds, they will receive the 30% off discount as well. So here we receive the message, to avail 30% discount, please share your phone number. So I provide the phone number as well. So here it sent me the discount coupon, customer ID, the phone number is here, and also it says expires on November 9. So today's date is October 20. So it actually add the 21 days over here, and it also says present this message to the cashier on your next visit to receive a generous 30% discount as our heartfelt appreciation. Please note that this offer is valid for the next 21 days. So please make sure to avail yourself of this exclusive discount before it actually expires on this same date. We look forward to welcome you soon. Simple as that. So it simply asks for their feedback first, and also offer them the specific discount for their next visit as well. So that was a quick demo on how you can actually build a Facebook QR code chatbot, but this can simply work on other channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, even through the SMS as well. So when they scan, you can actually send them to the SMS, and from there you can actually initiate the chats as well. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.